Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lillian. This channel is all about beauty, health and spiritual benefits of nature. Nature is so good. God is so wonderful. He has given us nature to answer lots and lots of life's problems and issues. Today we are going to talk about what to look for so that you can be productive as a woman. Before I continue, if you're coming for the first time, if you're stopping by on this channel for the first time, you're very much welcome. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please share this video. So this is what I have here. This is what I have here. It looks funny, right? This is Ajumbise. It's called Ajumbise. This is a combination of leaves, different kinds of leaves, wrapped round like a donut. You can see it. It has a hole at the middle. It's a combination of different kinds of leaves and roots. It's called Ajumbise. A particular group of people in Igbo land, their speciality, or they are the one that's special in making this particular herb, which is very good. And this herb, this Ajumbise, will help you eradicate so many issues, problems in your body. It's very good for fertility. One of the roots has fallen away. It's very good for fertility. Hormonal imbalance in your body. And we all know that hormonal imbalance is a result of when some hormones in your body, they have too much, they are high. And when some hormone in your body, certain hormones in your body also, they are very small, too small, you have hormonal imbalance. And this can help treat hormonal imbalance. It takes care of fertility, infection, urinary tract infection and other infections. It takes care of it. And if you have this problem of scanty menstruation, your menstruation is not flowing the way it's supposed to flow, it's scanty. By the time you start taking this, your flow will become normal. Especially when you mix it with this. When you mix it with this, it's wonderful, powerful. What is this? This is Negro pepper. It's called in Igbo land. In Igbo language, it's called Oda. I don't know the name in other languages. And then this is called Oziza in Igbo language. And in English language is black pepper. Black pepper and Negro pepper. When you mix it together with this Ajumbise and boil it, you can take it in two ways. You can boil it and drink it as a tea. And then also you can boil it and sieve the water and then use it to make pepper soup. When you give this to a woman that just put to bed, it will take care of many issues, make all the remaining blood in her body to come out. And it will now put the womb in order. Take away excess fat, take away things that are not supposed to be there, arrange the body very well. That is why in Bise people, the people that makes this, the people that this Ajumbise originates from, the people that started making it, that is why they call it Ajumbise. They can have 15, 20 children, and when you see them, you will never know that they have given birth. This herb will put their body back in order, back in place. Their body will be okay as if they've not given birth. This is wonderful. Nature, leaves and roots and seeds. These are seeds, these are leaves, roots that God has given you to put your body in place, put your body well in order. Whether you're married, whether you're single, you will take it. It does a lot of things. You put your body in order. Even if you're not married, this is the time for you to take it. So by the time you enter your husband's house, everything will have been in order. Even men can take it. But especially good for women. Especially good for women. It makes after giving birth, your breast will still be firm. After giving birth, your breast will not sag. Your breast, everything will go back. You look as if you've not given birth. Everything will be in order. Your breast will go back to the normal. The difference will not be much. If you want your body to be productive as a woman, look for where to get this. We can ship it to you wherever you are in any part of the country. We can ship it to you. If you don't know where to get it, this is good. God is wonderful. He has given us so much. I'm always excited when I'm talking about these things because I've tested it and it's good. And even for some people that their menses cease for some months, by the time you start taking it, your menses will start flowing again. It's so wonderful. It's so good. As a woman, no matter your age, once in a while, every now and then, boil and drink as a tea, boil and make pepper soup. You to put your body in order. Take care of every part of your body. Your womb, your breast, your vagina, everything, your womb, you put everything in order. Make your body firm. Your skin will not sag. This is wonderful. I am so excited. I'm sure that you've been well informed today. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Please share this video. I want to see you sometime in my next video. And I believe, God, that you will share testimonies as you look out for this and begin to take it. Bye.